I never made it, but I know what it takes.
Something exciting going on today.
We're building a boat, boys. I gotta go get some supplies, so we'll be back.
Understand it fully, appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air, and now we made for ourselves.
Alright, we're almost down here. This is the poop barn. And there's the barrels over there. So we're gonna back up. Yeah. Sorry, this isn't stable using iPhone. Probably GoPros are done. Alright, you're gonna watch us struggle with the pallet for some reason. Oh, this one's pretty light, eh? Long ways or?
It doesn't matter.
Nice view. Jeez! We're gonna go yonder. Roll. You wouldn't go under this, right?
That's probably not the best idea.
Probably lots
Wait, I found another lid.
of. Oh, cool. So we can use this one.
There's one.
Number 2 will be hard to find though.
Got muscles for this job. Oh, some dirt in there. There's not just some dirt in there.
It's like half full of dirt. That honestly might have been the one that we filled with dirt and water.
It might have been.
We tried to make a roller.
Here's a good one.
Yeah, that's good.
It's a phone. I thought he was talking to us.
Yeah, these things are heavy. This one's not.
Oh, yeah, that one's definitely not.
That ain't gonna stay there.
Are you still filming?
Yeah. We only need 2.
Yeah, we need one more. We're not using that one. It's filled with dirt.
Oh, okay.
So, extra weight. Alright, not good. Oh, hey there. One lid. Wait, hang on. I'll use this. The old lid from that one.
Here he comes. That weed's kind of blocking him. Does it have both lids?
What is this? Oh, this one's. Yeah, it does.
Cool.
I don't know about that.
It's fun. It's fun.
That's fun. Set that there. The other one down in there. I don't know if that's gonna stay, but we'll see.
You'll be good, Mom. All right. Meet you at the. Okay.
How'd you get this all the way over here?
That's like. If that's what you're doing.
Got it. Got it built.
Yep.
We just gotta put it in the water, make sure it floats. We'll take it for a test ride.
Yeah.
It floats, boys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take her out. See how she does out there.
Push off.
Got her on her maiden voyage, boys.
That ain't gonna work.
It's a little uneven. How you doing out there?
I'm doing. Not moving. Mind giving me a harder push off?
Oh, I don't think I can reach her from there.
Can. Don't be scared.
I'm not scared.
Just go in the water, guy. You already went in the water. Because we flipped it. Oops.
I don't know about that. Yeah, I think with the paddle, you're just gonna float in circles. I don't know about that.
I'm just gonna float. Wherever I end up, you gotta pick me up. But
Why do I have to pick you up?
because wherever I end up, which will probably be right there again. All right, now you have to go on your maiden voyage.
Okay, I will. I'm not scared.
All right, we got him going on his maiden voyage.
No push, no push. Don't push me. I think I'm definitely bottomed. Oh my god.
Oh, she might be going again. There she goes.
Yeah, I don't think that's a good raft.
No.
Oh.
All right, well, it was a fail, boys.
Okay, we tested it so you guys don't have to.
Yeah,
And we
make
found
sure
out-
to secure it a better way than
Yeah, rope is not a
Not
good
a
way
good
for
idea.
this.
because rope stretches.
Yeah. Maybe like some bolts or something. We'll have to figure it
like
out.
U-bolts that come up and around this.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, well, we'll try again soon. Hope you enjoyed.